So I'm installing Windows 10 on this unsupported Mac. It's old one, Core 3 Duo, 4GB of RAM, 256GB SSD, a great Windows 10 installation disk, and now copying my bootcamp to drivers to my USB stick and see what happens. So now I need to boot the USB stick by holding the option button will boot. So boot, hold, keep holding, keep holding. There you go. Alright, and see if this boots. Then just create a new disk here. Later you can remove that one if you don't want OS X anymore, but let's try this first. Okay, we need to convert the partition before we can continue. So after I converted the disk, it's currently trying to install Windows. So that's a start. It's at 5% so far, which is not bad. And meanwhile, around 4 minutes later, it's almost 80, so it's an idea. Maybe this is actually going to work. So it's currently doing something. Just restarted and it's starting services, so looks positive. So I went through all the steps, with the settings. So it's trying the installation really, or finishing up, I would say, which is pretty cool. And here we go, Windows 10 on my old MacBook. Everything except the sound, I think, doesn't. Everything seems to work. Sound doesn't, it looks like, but that I don't really care about at the moment. Oh, we have this one, but I don't think it makes a difference. No. So sound drivers I might have to install, but everything itself seems to work. Currently updating Windows here. But yeah, it seems to work so far.